Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So in this Salesforce Agentforce series, today we are going to learn about how we can connect the Agentforce vibes and Jira workspace using the MCP server. So in earlier videos, I have explained about the Agentforce vibes, how we can enable the Agentforce vibes in VS Code, and after that, how we can create the LWC component and batch Apex classes in using the Agentforce vibes. Now in this video, let me show you. So here I am navigating to the MCP server. Now here you can see, here I have one requirement. As I open this ticket, which ticket number is KAN-6. So here we have the requirement to generate the PDF. And here you can see the description. Create the LWC component for the account object where we need to add create PDF button and add to the account record page so that whenever any user click the generate PDF button, the PDF should get generated with the fields and the values that account object has. Now what I need to do as I navigate to the VS Code, and before that also let me show you the account object that we have. So basically as I open this account object, after that let me open any record. So as per the requirement that we have in the Jira ticket, so here on the account record page, there should be one button called generate PDF button. And whenever the user click on that button, the PDF should get generated according to the fields and the values here on the account record page has. Now here we don't have any button. Also let me show you on this page. Now here as I scroll down, here you can see here I have created two LWC component. The first one is contact data table and after that lead data table. Now what I'm going to do is as I open this VS Code, so let me show you the LWC components. Now here you can also see the contact data table and after that lead data table. Now according to our requirement, so now as I open this Agentforce vibes and after that as I open this manage MCP servers, here we have some servers, Salesforce DX and after that MCP Atlassian. So what is this MCP Atlassian server do? Let me show you on the PPT. So here the MCP servers is nothing but the bridge between the agents and then technologies or the tools. So for example, whenever any user gives the prompt to the AI agent that they wanted some information from the Salesforce. Now here you can see in the first image, here whenever any user gives the prompt to the LLM models, so after that, if the MCP server will not there, the user will not get any response or the information from the Salesforce because the LLM model does not have the permission to get the information from the Salesforce. Now, what the MCP server do? So here the MCP server is nothing but the model context protocol which act as a bridge between the LLM models and the technologies or the tools. For example, in the second image you can see whenever any user gives the prompt or asks the queries or want to retrieve the information from any other tool, this MCP server has the permission to retrieve the information from the tools. So for that the user can get the response or the information. So same for the VS Code or the Agentforce vibe. If the Agentforce vibe or the agent wants to retrieve any information from the Jira, so here we have the Jira workspace. The information nothing but the ticket number and after that the description where we have the requirement. So this information the Agentforce vibe need to retrieve. For that we have the MCP Atlassian server. So using this MCP server, the Agentforce vibes and the Jira can get connect and this agent can retrieve the information from the Jira ticket. So now in this video, I am going to explain how we can enable this MCP Atlassian server and after that how this Agentforce vibes will retrieve the information automatically and build the component, save the files and deploy to the Salesforce org. So for that, watch this video till the end and don't miss any step. And if you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Also, before moving ahead, here is very big announcement for the Salesforce Geekers. As you visit to our SalesforceFAQs.com website, on this website, we used to post articles on the Salesforce In that, we have the Salesforce data types, data loader, reports and dashboards, function and formulas, Salesforce flows, Apex, and the Lightning Web components. Also, we have the dedicated section for the Agentforce, and then we also have the articles on the Tableau. Then we also have the free books where you can download the Salesforce related ebooks fully free. After that, we have the courses section. In that, I have created the course on the Salesforce admin training course, Agentforce course, and then if you want to buy the both courses, we have the bundle where you can get the discount on both courses. Then we also used to conduct a live webinars on monthly basis. There you will get more insight about the Salesforce. And after that, we also conduct a Salesforce Agentforce live training. So as you visit to our Agentforce live training page, here you will get all the information about the training. And if you want to know more about the training, you can contact with us. I will provide the contact link in the description box. Now coming back to our topic. So now I will explain how we can connect the Agentforce vibes and Jira using the MCP server. Before that, let me tell you the requirement, the things we need before connecting the Agentforce vibes and the Jira. So very first, we need the Docker container. So here I have created one Docker account which we need to run the connection between the Agentforce vibes and then Jira. After that, the second thing we need, which is Jira. So here I have created the Jira account where you can see where we have the MCP servers, and here we have the tickets where we can see the description about what we want to create or what we want to or what is our requirement. So let me close this one. After that, the third thing we need, so here let me show you. So here we have some code. Using this one, we can connect the MCP Atlassian with the Agentforce vibes. So basically, this is our code using which we can build the connection between, or we can build the MCP server to establish the connection between the Agentforce vibes and the Jira. So let me close this one also. And now finally, let me show you the VS code. As I open this manage MCP servers, now here we don't have any MCP Atlassian server active. So now let's activate the server. Just open this manage MCP servers. After that, here you can see the setting icon or the gear icon. Click on that. And then we need to click on this configure MCP servers. So here one file will get open, and then we just need to paste this code. I will provide all the links and the code in the description box. The links for the create Jira account and then Docker account. Now, so here I am adding the code. Now here you can see the MCP Atlassian, and after that command is Docker because we are running the connection on the Docker. After that, here we need to provide some things like Jira URL, after that the username, and after that Jira API token. And again we need to provide here as well. So now first let's provide the Jira URL. For that, let me navigate to the Jira application or the Jira workspace. Here you can see, here we have the URL. We need to copy this URL and then just we need to paste over here and again here as well. So after the URL, we need to provide the username. Again, we need to navigate to the Jira. Here we have the profile. Go to the profile and after that copy this provided email. So here the email is nothing but the username. Provide the username. Again, same here. And now the very important thing, we need to provide the Jira API token. So for that, again navigate to the Jira profile. Then go to the settings, open the account setting. After that, navigate to the security tab. And then as you scroll down, here you can see here we have the option API tokens. So here we need to click on this create and manage API tokens. So now we can create the API token. For that, here we have the option create API token. Click on it and then provide the name. So here I'm providing, you can provide anything over here, MCP server. And then just click on this create button. As you click on this create button, Now you can copy. So here I need to copy this token, click done, and then we need to provide the token over here. Again, same here as well. Now after providing the token, we just need to save this file. So now as I save this file, before that here you can see, here we don't have any Atlassian server. As I save this file, here we can get that server. So here I'm clicking on file and after that save. Now here you can see the MCP Atlassian and it will take some time to enable the server. Now here you can see the MCP Atlassian server has been enabled successfully. As I drop down this one, so here we get some tools. So using these tools, the Agentforce vibes can retrieve the information from the Jira workspace. Let's now give the prompt to the Agentforce vibes. For that, let me click on this done. And also let me close this file as well. So now let me navigate to the Jira. And now here you can see here we have the token. As I open this token, here we have the title and the description which we want to generate or which we want to create. Now usually whenever we give prompt to the Agentforce vibes, what we used to do, we describe the requirement. For example, create the LWC component to find all the accounts and display into the data table and deploy to the Salesforce org. Now this time what we are going to do, we already have the requirement in the Jira where we have the ticket. Now we will tell to the Agentforce vibes, just take the requirement from the Jira and then create the component and deploy to the Salesforce org. Here we are not going to tell what is the actual requirement. So here let me give the prompt. Now here I have provided create the LWC component. For that, use the requirement from the Jira KAN-6. Basically, the KAN-6 is our token number or ticket number. After that, I have given and deploy component to the Salesforce org. And here I have mentioned I have connected Jira through the MCP server. Now, as I press the enter key, so it will analyze the requirement and then perform all the operations by itself. We just need to give permissions like approve or reject, and after that we just need to save the files. Now here you can see Jira get issue, which is the tool using the MCP Atlassian server. So issue key KN6, and after that now here you can see the issue key that we have provided, and we just need to approve the permission. So now it will get the requirement. Here you can see this description, create the LWC component, everything it get from the Jira. Now here you can see the Agentforce has the question. What is the question? Confirm LWC scope for KN6. Do you want a quick action button or the Agentforce record page? So here we can provide the requirement like, do we need the button or do we want to create the quick action? So here I want use page section component with the generate PDF button. So I want this one. So as I click on this, so it will proceed according to the requirement that we have provided. So it started to building the component. So the first file it has built, which is HTML file. So here you can see it already gave the name for the file. We just need to click on the save button. Also, as I can show you, here you can see the LWC component. First the file has been built. Again the JS file is building. So now again let me navigate to the Agentforce vibe because we need to save this file creating. So we are not doing anything. The Agentforce vibe will do everything from the creating file to save the file or to give the name to the files, and after that to deploy file to the Salesforce org. Now here you can see the meta.xml file also has been created. Now click on the save. And here you can see now it is asking to deploy the metadata. Basically the Agentforce vibes asking the permission to deploy this component to the Salesforce org. So here I am clicking on approve. So sometimes you will get error, but don't worry, everything will be fine. We just need to click on the approve buttons. So again, this file get created. We need to save this file as well. Again, click on approve. And here you can see the task is completed. So here the implemented and deployed the LWC component per Jira KN6. Everything is done now. Now we can see here the LWC component created, which is account PDF generator with the HTML, JS and meta.xml file. Also, as I navigate to the Salesforce org, till now here you can see we don't have any custom component, means we don't have the account PDF generator component. As I refresh this page, then scroll down to this component. Now here you can see the account PDF generator component has been successfully added. Now we just need to drag this component and drop wherever we want to add. So here I have added here. So here I have added component over here, and then as I click on this save button, again click on save, and after that let's navigate back to the account record detail page. So now here you can see as I open this detail page, this information will generate as the PDF. Now as I click on the generate PDF button, the PDF has been downloaded, and now let me open this PDF. So here you can see, so here we have the PDF. So now if you want to design this PDF, as we navigate to the Agentforce vibe, so here I am giving the prompt design the PDF and deploy component. As I press the enter key, so it will start to update the files. Now after updating, it will automatically deploy the component to the Salesforce org. So now we just need to save this file. Let's approve to the deploy. And again the task is completed. Now again let's navigate to the Salesforce org. Let me close this file. Again we just need to refresh the page, and again click the generate PDF. So the PDF has been downloaded. Let me open, and now here you can see the Agentforce vibes has updated the LWC component with the some changes with the formatting to the PDF. So in this way, using the MCP server, so here we have the added the MCP server. Using this MCP server, the Agentforce vibes can easily take the requirement Jira ticket, create the LWC component and deploy to the Salesforce org. So I hope whatever I have explained, you understood that. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Thank you.